What can a franchisor do for a laundromat investor that perhaps a distributor can't do? What are the advantages of working with a franchisor?
I think really some of the decisions that are made, when you look at an independent, they rely on the distributors to help with locations, help with design, layouts, and things like that. Where when you're working with a franchise, those decisions are already pre-made. You think about Chick-fil-A, and they're pretty much all the same across the board. This is what you get. This is the product you get. And I think for a lot of investors out there that are looking at the franchise, that's kind of what they're looking at. And I think that's an advantage for them where, they're looking at, hey, I want to get into this industry, but I might not want to make all the decisions and the hard decisions on what tile to pick, what floor, what lighting, where we're providing a package, and so are other people in the franchise, but they're providing a package for somebody to come in and get that. So, I look at it that way, and I think there's an advantage for them to do that. And the other advantage is a franchise is going to be very connected to the franchisees as far as helping their business grow, maybe learning best practices. As you know, we have a wonderful organization called the CLA, and that provides a lot of help. But this is the next step maybe in helping some of the franchisees really understand their business, meet with them, look at things that maybe traditional store owners haven't thought as much about, in the marketplace, and best practices. You're starting to see that now being shared on social media, which has been great to me. I mean, I look at what people are posting and I get excited because people are sharing these best practices, whether it be wash, dry, and fold, what they're doing with national accounts, how are they picking up, commercial accounts, and it's neat to see all this sharing with technology. And I think technology has led us to that type of sharing.